Cold sesame glass noodles with shredded chicken and cucumber. Serves 4. Prep time 25 minutes. 200 grams of glass noodles, also called cellophane noodles. 300 grams of boneless skinless chicken breast for poaching and shredding. 1 medium cucumber, about 200 grams, 4 thin ribbons. 3 tablespoons of toasted sesame paste or tahini for the sauce. 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce for seasoning. 1 tablespoon of Chinese black vinegar or rice vinegar for brightness. 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil for aroma. 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar to balance the sauce. 2 cloves of garlic, peeled and minced. 1 small fresh red chili, optional, thinly sliced for heat. 2 scallions, white and green parts separated and thinly sliced. 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds and 1/2 teaspoon of fine salt. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Place 300 grams of chicken breast in a saucepan with 500 milliliters of water. Bring to a gentle simmer over medium heat and poach for 10 minutes until cooked through. Remove the chicken after 10 minutes and transfer it to an ice bath. Chill for 5 minutes, then shred the chicken into thin pieces. Place 200 grams of glass noodles in a bowl and cover with warm water. Soak for 8 minutes until tender, then drain and rinse with cold water to cool and stop cooking. Peel the cucumber into thin ribbons using a peeler. Sprinkle 1/2 teaspoon of salt and let rest for 5 minutes, then squeeze gently to remove excess water. In a small bowl combine 3 tablespoons of sesame paste, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of black vinegar, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 minced cloves of garlic. Stir until smooth and well blended. Taste the sauce and adjust with extra soy or vinegar if needed. Add thinly sliced chili if using and the white parts of 2 scallions. Mix well. Place the drained noodles and shredded chicken in a large bowl. Add the cucumber ribbons and pour the sesame sauce over. Toss gently until everything is evenly coated. Divide the salad among bowls and garnish with the green parts of the scallions and 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds. Chill the salad in the refrigerator for 10 minutes if you prefer colder noodles, otherwise serve immediately. Enjoy the fresh cold sesame glass noodles. This is the final step. Closing line, thank you for watching. Here is the finished cold sesame glass noodles with shredded chicken. If you liked this recipe, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more recipes.